Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to repost someone's story on Instagram. If you want to repost someone's story on Instagram, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, go ahead and create a new account to continue. Now, look at the top of your screen and tap on the heart icon for notifications. If someone has mentioned you in their story, you will see a notification here. Simply tap on it to open the story. If you do not see the notification, do not worry. You can also go straight to your Instagram inbox. Open the chat of the person who tagged or mentioned you in their story. Inside the chat, you will find a message saying you have been mentioned. Tap on it to view the story. Once you are inside the story, Instagram will show you an option that says, Add to your story. Tap on this option to start the reposting process. From here, you can customize the story before sharing. You can resize it, move it around, add stickers, text, GIF, or even tag other people. This way, you can make the repost look exactly how you want. When you are happy with the edits, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom of the screen. This will instantly share the reposted story to your profile, and all of your followers will be able to see it. And that's it, you have successfully reposted someone's Instagram story. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.